Welcome back guys, another day, another modification on my BMW E46 M3. Today we are changing the OEM gear knob to a custom gear knob. Here I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to change this. Gently pull the gaiter from both ends. It should easily come off, but be sure not to snap the cable. There's also 4 clips, 2 on both sides. To take it off, just push inwards and pull up. To remove the handbrake gaiter, you must pull from the front and it should unclip. Pull the gaiter forward till you can see a visible cable tie. You will now need to cut this off. We will now need to take off the trim from the old gaiter. We will need this for later on. To take off the trim, you must slowly peel all the way around until the gaiter is off. And you need to repeat this process for the handbrake. It can be fiddly, just take your time until it completely comes off. Here we have the new Alcantara gaiter. When putting this on the trim, ensure the 3 lines are facing backwards. Wrap it around the trim. You can normally glue this on, but as we're going to change this later on, we're just going to stretch fit it. Once you have completed this process, now you can put the trim back on. Push the trim down until all 4 clips are clipped in. Now finally take the gear knob, push down until securely fitted. We are now going to repeat the same process for the handbrake. We need to ensure that the clip is at the back so that the M stripes are at the top. Place the gaiter inside out so that you can align it with the handbrake trim. Take a cable tie, make sure the gaiter is in line and secure it in place. Once you have done this, you can now pull back the gaiter and stretch fit it to the trim. Make sure to push the front in first and then clip the back clip in place. And that's the whole process complete, and this is how you fit both gaiters and a custom gear knob. Thank you for watching. To stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and like this video as I'll be doing a lot more modifications very soon.